Next, we look at software engineering at Google by Titus Winters, Tom Manshreck, and Hyrum Wright. This offers a unique look into how Google approaches software engineering. They define it as programming integrated over time.
I love that definition. It emphasizes the long view.
It's about managing the challenges of building and maintaining a massive unified code base that's expected to last for decades.
And the enduring value of this book is its focus on exactly that. Long-term software sustainability at unprecedented scale. This is a problem that AI-generated code will inevitably exacerbate, not solve.
How so?
Well, AI dramatically increases the sheer volume of code, but it offers no inherent solutions for managing the resulting complexity over time. The principles in the Google book, like emphasizing rigorous code quality, comprehensive testing, static analysis, they become absolutely non-negotiable when you start integrating AI-generated code into your systems.
Right.
And concepts like Hyrum's law.
Which states?
It basically says that with a sufficient number of users, every observable behavior of your system will be depended on by someone. This becomes critical as engineers start relying on AI-generated code that calls various libraries. If the AI subtly changes some behavior, even an undocumented one, it can break unforeseen dependencies downstream.
Ooh, scary. But I hear the misconception. These practices, they only apply at Google's massive scale. Is that fair?
Not really. The principles are universal. Problems of time and scale affect any project aiming to last more than a few months.
And what about the AI will solve this myth? How does that stack up here? Managing code bases over time.
It's quite naive, actually. AI can generate code snippets, sure, but it cannot manage a complex CI/CD pipeline. It can't design a fair and effective code review process. It can't decide on a sensible deprecation policy for an entire system.
These are socio-technical problems.
Exactly. They require human judgment, long-term perspective, negotiation, communication. Practically, this book gives you a blueprint for integrating AI tools responsibly. If your team starts using AI and maybe consistency or quality starts to drop, you can apply Google's principles. You might institute something like the Beyoncé rule.
The Beyoncé rule.
Yeah, the idea is that any AI-generated code, like Beyoncé, needs to put a ring on it, meaning it needs comprehensive unit and integration tests before it gets committed to the main branch.
I like that. Tests are the commitment.
Exactly. And code reviews must also focus strongly on style, simplicity, maintainability. You could use AI-powered static analysis tools to shift left, catching potential issues earlier in the development process, ideally even before a code review.
Understanding these principles really positions you as an engineering leader, doesn't it?
It does.
The most valuable engineers will be those who can think about the entire software lifecycle, from inception right through to maintenance over decades.
Yeah, the whole picture.
This book gives you the frameworks to lead those crucial conversations about technical debt, testing strategy, engineering productivity. It provides a clear path to leadership roles focused on building enduring systems and effective engineering cultures. That's a responsibility AI is nowhere near capable of assuming.
Not even close. It requires deep human insight.